Hi, my name is Andreas Hultfeldt. I work as the brand manager for AM Acoustics, one of the companies in Ecosund's design group. Today we're going to talk about Ecosund, our core material that we use in all of our products. Ecosund is made of 100% polyester containing 50% recycled PET. Its structure makes it a really good sound absorber. Because it's made of 100% polyester, it also means that we can use Ecosund full exposed as core material and as a product in raw edition. That is giving unique and more possibility to customize solutions, free forms, cutouts, etc. We don't have to capture the polyester core from fibers because it doesn't contain fibers that can itch or affect your lungs in a negative way. Ecosund doesn't have any glues or additives inside it, therefore it is totally unsensitive for moist and cannot rot nor mold. You can see several examples of this in our product range. A product range that includes products for ceiling, walls and room dividers. For ceiling, both singular mounted or free hanging, and also integrated as tiles in a suspended grid system. All of our products can be found as BIM files and with downloadable content for drawings or renderings. Speaking of integrated, it is also a good product to put behind different constructions, like behind wooden slats, integrated in bookshelves, different furniture like bar desks, under tables, chairs and more. Where there is a plan for acoustic material, Ecosund can be adapted to fit there. We make Ecosund as standard in 20, 40 and 50 mm thickness and up to 3 times 1.5 meter big in one piece. It can be raw, just as it is, but we can also laminate fabrics and different surfaces to be both aesthetic and suitable for the activity. Ecosund is really durable and can be used even in tough situations like sport halls or a corridor in a school. It doesn't leave pressure marks from balls or people hitting it. Now let's talk about tests of the Ecosund, which are made in the RISE Research Institutes of Sweden for the fire emission tests, Akustikmiljö for the sound absorption tests, and the EPD according to the international standards. We start with emissions. Ecosund is one of the sound absorbing materials with the lowest VOC emissions in the market. Compared to other materials, it can be up to 30 times lower. Where the product passes the test in terms of TVOC, formaldehyde, CMR and single VOC. The test results are in compliance with the requirements of M1 and also meets the requirements of Swedish byggvarubedömningen of the recommended class regarding VOC emissions to indoor environment. EPD. We have conducted 2 EPDs, Environmental Product Declarations, for Ecosund. One life cycle analysis is for Ecosund laminated with a textile, the other one is Ecosund raw, making it easier to compare between the products. The life cycle stages analyzed are raw material, manufacturing and end of life. 17 different environmental impact categories have been examined, taking in consideration impact in climate change, fossil, metal and mineral resource usage, freshwater ecotoxicity and particulate matter. Fire tests. The material have BS1D0 as test result regarding fire. That goes for the raw Ecosund, but also with the fabrics we use as our standard fabrics. In case of fire, the material doesn't add any energy to the fire and neither melt with drops or create any smoke. Sound absorption. Ecosund is a material that absorbs sound really well. 40 mm and thicker, it has absorption factor over 0.9. We often use 50 mm as our standard thickness in products, giving it an extra absorption in the lower frequencies in the voice area, to get a better balance between the vowels and the consonants. We also have accessories to get installation with air gap for that extra low frequency absorption and can often get 1.0 absorption factor in different products. Ecosund also have one of the best absorption in the market for flat and steep sound wave direction, meaning, for example, when a sound wave hits in a flat direction, it doesn't reflect much compared to other materials in the market, but instead absorbs the sound wave. That gives the benefit of, for example, to be really good in stopping sound propagation in office landscapes. In the report we account for the total range 63 to 8000 Hz, making it easier for calculation in projects. Here I'm standing next to a print absorber made by Ecosund, just as an example of the possibilities with this material. And by that we say thank you for listening to this and goodbye.